Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in to MG Guy Vintage Vehicles. Greg here again with another 10 vintage vehicles available for sale across North America for under $15,000. Why $15,000? I want to showcase running vehicles that the average person like myself can afford and enjoy. Some may need minor work such as brakes or a carb tune-up to be roadworthy, but these vehicles are pretty much ready to go. There may be blemishes, but you know what? That's okay. It's all about getting behind the wheel and going for a cruise in a car you love, not impressing the purists at the car show. Links for each of these vehicles are included in the video description below. Alright, enough jabbering. Let's get on with today's vehicles for sale. Alright, let's get started here. Here we have a 1968 Plymouth Fury 3, listed for $15,000 US in El Dorado Hills, California. It's been driven 101,258 miles, has an automatic transmission, clean title. This vehicle has no significant damage or problems. From the seller's description: new carburetor, Edelbrock converted to 4-barrel, new front shocks and rear air shocks, 2 sets of wheels, nice wheels and tires, non-AC car, good dash lights up, blinkers, backup lights, all the stuff that should work works as it should. It's fun. I can keep having fun with it unless somebody cool can take it to the next level. Needs a headliner, open to reasonable offer. Montana Blue, slip title. Very limited, rust car. And here we have a 1949 Ford sedan, listed for $6,500 US in SCIO, New York. It has an automatic transmission, and from the seller's description: 1949 Ford 2-door sedan. It sits on a 1978 Monte Carlo frame and has a small block 350 engine and a 350 turbo transmission. Car needs nothing to be driven. It's an older resto, so the paint isn't perfect, but it's still nice. Not looking to trade, paperwork in hand in my name, runs and drives perfectly. Alrighty, up next we have a 1980 Triumph TR8, listed for $13,900 Canadian in Mirabel, Quebec. It's been driven 175,000 kilometers and has a manual transmission. From the seller's description, now this is a translation from French: 1980 Triumph TR8, 3.5 liter V8, 5-speed manual transmission, all original. I have the original 13P mags, very good mechanics. Alright, back to the 60s here. 1966 Plymouth Valiant. listed for $8,500 US in Statesville, North Carolina. It's been driven 61,000 miles, has an automatic transmission, listed in good condition, clean title. This vehicle has no significant damage or problems. From the seller's description, 1966 Plymouth Valiant 4-door sedan equipped with a 225 cubic inch slant 6 engine and automatic transmission. Underwent a motor rebuild and received a new radiator. Upgraded with new tires mounted on 14-inch rims. Interior features new upholstery and carpeting. This car has only 61,000 original miles on the odometer. Originally hailing from Florida, I acquired this car 12 years ago in Georgia. The paint is not original and is due for a respray. Fun car and gets a lot of looks. I just don't drive it that much anymore. Title in hand. Alright, haven't had one of the old hot rods on the channel in a while. Here we have a 1917 Ford T-Bucket hot rod, listed for $14,000 US in Tavares, Florida. It's been driven 25,000 miles, has an automatic transmission, listed in very good condition, clean title. This vehicle has no significant damage or problems. From the seller's description, 1917 Ford T-Bucket fiberglass body, 5.7 liter 350 V8, TH350 auto, Ford 9-inch rear, custom chameleon paint, Ford Model T grille shroud, chrome headlamps with aluminum brackets, chrome side mirrors, 15-inch chrome smoothie wheels, black vinyl interior, black sports steering wheel, Equus steering wheel column tack, Autometer Arctic white gauges, black carpeted floor, floor automatic shifter, black vinyl bench seating, built 5.7 liter 350 V8, Edelbrock AVS2, 4-barrel carb, Edelbrock aluminum intake manifold, aluminum heads, long tube side pipe headers, electric fan, TH350 automatic, Ford 9-inch rear, steel frame with straight axle front disc brakes. Wow, almost lost my breath there. Okay. Here we have a 1952 Buick Special Sport 46S, listed for $12,500 US in Fairburn, Georgia. It's been driven 40,000 miles, has a manual transmission, and from the seller's description, 1952 Buick 46S, excellent condition, clean interior and exterior, runs great. Here's one you don't see often, at least I don't see often. 1975 Lancia Beta Coupe, listed for $6,500 US in Staunton, Illinois. It's listed as condition used good, and from the seller's description, looking to sell my 1975 Beta Coupe under 40,000 original miles. This is a rare car in this condition. It is all original and in overall excellent shape. It does run and drive, but could use some new bushings, etc. It has some aftermarket options, such as aftermarket cams installed in 1978 and dual Weber carburetors that were also installed in the 70s. Included is all the paperwork for everything done on the car, original title, several workshop manuals, along with original wheels and tires as the ones on are aftermarket. Always like these things. 1964 Studebaker Avante, listed for $11,000 US in Laverton, Utah. Driven 3,111 miles, has an automatic transmission, clean title. This vehicle has no significant damage or problems. From the seller's description: beautiful car, interior is in excellent condition, transmission needs a tune-up. Alright, coming back north of the border again for a minute. Here we have a 1980 Chevrolet Corvette, listed for $12,500 Canadian in Norfolk, Ontario. It's been driven 108,000 kilometers and has an automatic transmission. From the seller's description: 1980 Corvette, 5.7 original engine, side pipes, T-tops, rear louvers, like new tires, needs brakes all around, front ball joint, needs a good going through. It's a driver, but selling as is, as the price reflects. Birdcage is in amazing condition. Open to offers and will consider trades for Harley or trucks. No boats or watercraft. Alrighty, last but not least, 1966 Dodge Dart, listed for $3,900 US in San Luis Obispo, California. It's been driven 90,000 miles, has a manual transmission, clean title. This vehicle has no significant damage or problems. From the seller's description: runs and drives great. 3 on the tree, has the slant 225 straight 6, clean title with 2025 tags. Rebuilt carb, new exhaust pipe, new muffler, new starter, new battery, new hoses, new electrical cables, new spark plugs and wires, new tires and brakes. Alright, so that's it for today's vehicles. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did enjoy it, please consider hitting the like and subscribe buttons so you'll be notified when future videos go live. This series of videos go live on YouTube every Sunday and Wednesday at 2:00 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I also post videos for project cars that I call Friday Fix 'em Up, which go live every Friday at 2 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. If you would like to support the channel, please consider a channel membership. You can click the join button below or the link in the channel description, and you'll have access to extra perks, including early access to each and every video before they go live on YouTube. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.